At ChaosSearch, we have a mantra: keep all your data. Why? Because more often than not, data has value, has meaning, certainly at some point in time. And until that moment, data can look worthless, even chaotic without the right context. A perfect example is the Rosetta Stone. If you're not familiar with the story, it is an absolutely incredible one. Over thousands of years, from the pharaohs of ancient Egypt to Alexander the Great to Napoleon to its current home in the British Museum. The Rosetta Stone represents a data journey that unlocks the secrets of an entire civilization. And it was almost thrown away. In 1799, Napoleon was in the midst of an invasion of Egypt. And in the course of building a fort there, soldiers found a 1,600-pound slab of rock. They used it to repair a wall. Fortunately, one of the officers recognized that this slab was something that needed to be rescued. It was shipped to France, and copies were made and widely distributed. Researchers everywhere attempted to decode this amazing 3-part text. One section was hieroglyphics, one section was Egyptian demonic, and the last section was ancient Greek. No one knew what demonic, and certainly the hieroglyphs, were a mystery. But the Greek section was still something people could translate. And the last line of the Greek text gave an important clue. It said that all texts contained the same message. In the end, 2 scholars separated by Napoleon's defeat at Waterloo solved half the puzzle each. On the British side, the legendary British polymath Thomas Young, aka the last man who knew everything, figured out in 1816 that the name Ptolemy was featured in all 3 texts, and that solving the demonic middle section text was the key to understanding the hieroglyphics. In 1818, these revelations were published in an article called Egypt in the Encyclopedia Britannica. Across the English Channel in France, his former protege, Jean-Francois Champollion, read the article and used his recent passion for the Coptic language to translate the demonic text and finally unlock the secret to the hieroglyphics. Champollion said, "Hieroglyphic writing is a complex system, a script all at once figurative, symbolic, and phonetic, in one and the same text, in one and the same sentence, and I might even venture, in one and the same word." He figured out that there are 4 reading and writing directions based on the position of the objects in the hieroglyphics. And to add another level to it, hieroglyphics are designed to be aesthetically pleasing, which results in abbreviations, extensions, and other creative license. And it supports one of our principles at ChaosSearch. All data is critical, even in its raw format. Any change or translation removes insights. It's necessary to decode these mysteries. This one stone, seemingly insignificant, allowed us to understand the correlation between this undiscovered language with current language, if you will, streams of ancient information. The idea that all information matters is clear. The ability to correlate across these streams is the all-important clarity, the insight. What does this mean to you? Everything. Where is your Rosetta Stone? What will it unlock in your company? Who knows? One thing I know is you'll never find out if you throw it away.